Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll continue. We did questions from the book, sections 5.1, 5.2. Now we'll do 5.3. What we have, find for general solution of these differential equations, 1 to 20. I'm choosing some of them, including the suggested problems. So number 1, y double prime minus 4y equals 0. What's the auxiliary equation? It will be r squared minus 4 equals 0. So I have r squared equal 4. I have r equal plus or minus 2. That's what's my general solution. C1 e to x plus C2 e minus 2x. And I choose this one because it's very clear. It's easy one. That explains everything. Question number 3. Y double prime plus 3y prime minus 10y equals 0. So what's my auxiliary equation? R squared plus 3r minus 10, which I can factor it, r plus 5, r minus 2. So I have r equals minus 5 or r equal 2. General solution, y equals C1 e minus 5x plus C2 e 2x. These are easy ones. 4, 2y double prime minus 7y prime plus 3y equals 0. Auxiliary equation, 2r squared minus 7r plus 3 equals 0. Can I factor it? Yes. That will be 2r. This is r. And it's 7. That will be minus 3 minus 1 equals 0. So you have 3 minus r minus 6r minus 7r. Great. So r equal half or r equal 3. General solution, C1 e half x plus C2 e 3x. Yes. Now we have fourth order, 11 y 4 plus 6 y third derivative, second derivative equals 0. Auxiliary equation, r to the power 4 plus 6r cubed plus 9r squared equals 0. So I have what? I can take r squared common factor. What I will get? R squared plus 6r plus 9 equals 0. So I have r squared. This is what? R plus 3 squared times r plus 3. So I have r 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3. These are the roots. General solution, y equals C1 plus C2x plus C3 e minus 3x plus C4 x e minus 3x, because it's repeated. Okay, 12. I have, this is the equation. Okay, auxiliary equation will be what? Yeah, r to the power 4 minus 3r cubed plus 3r squared minus r equals 0. Can take r common factor. If you look at this, this is r minus 1 all cubed. Or I can do it as what? R. I can do grouping these two with each. And I have minus 3r. The remaining is r minus 1 equals 0. So I have r. This one difference of 2 cubes. R minus 1. R squared plus r plus 1 minus 3r, r minus 1 equals 0. of r. I can take r minus 1 common factor. I have what? R square plus r minus 3r. Let me do it in steps. Equals 0. So you have r minus 1. This is r square minus 2r plus 1 equals 0, which is r minus 1 square. So what are the roots? 0, 1, 1, 1. General solution y equals c1 ex x ex x squared ex. That will be my general solution. Okay, 14. I have what? Let me go to the auxiliary equation right away. Save time. R4 plus 5r squared minus 36 equals 0. Which I can do it what? I need 5, 36. Yeah, so it's plus 9 minus 4. So it's r squared plus 9 times r squared minus 4 equals 0. I have minus 36, 9r squared minus 4r squared, 5r squared. This is r to the power 4. So I have r squared plus 9 equals 0, which means r equal plus or minus 3i. Means r equal plus or minus 2. General solution, y equals c1, e minus 2x, e to x. These things will give me sine and cosine, cosine 3x, sine 3x. Yes, that was 14. Yes, great. 16. Auxiliary equation, r to the power 4 plus 18r squared plus 81 equals 0. And this, if you notice, it's r squared plus 9r squared. Yeah, 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 2 is 18 times r squared. Yes. So it will be, r will be what? How to solve this? Plus or minus 3i, but I have it 2 times. So it will be my general solution. Y equals c1 plus c2x cosine 3x plus c3 plus c4x sine 3x, because it's repeated. Yes. 18. Yeah, I need to rewrite it first. Minus 16y equals 0. This is the differential equation. The auxiliary equation. R to the power 4 minus 16 equals 0. Factor it. R squared minus 4 times r squared plus 4 equals 0. Difference of 2 squared. R to the power 4 minus 16. This one I can do it again. R minus 2, R plus 2. Solve it the way you like. Equals 0. Roots minus 2, 2 plus or minus 2i. General solution, c1 e minus 2x, e to x, cosine 2x, sine 2x. Yeah, correct. Or 19. Let me check what is 19. Auxiliary equation. The only one? Yeah, then I'll go to another problem. I have r cubed plus r squared minus r minus 1. Okay. I can do what? I can take r square common factor. I have r plus 1 minus r plus 1 equals 0. So I can take r plus 1, r square minus 1 equals 0. So I have r plus 1, r plus 1, r minus 1 equals 0. What are the roots? 1 minus 1 minus 1. General solution. C1 e to the power x is minus x. X is minus x. Okay. 20. Yeah, it seems to be a little bit complicated. Yeah. I don't think it's an easy one to do without the suggestion. Suggestion, okay. 20. What is the auxiliary equation? R to the power 4 plus 2r cubed plus 3r squared plus 2r plus 1 equals 0. He said expand this. Let me do that. See what I get. You have what? I can do this is x and this is y. So you have r square plus 2r squared, r plus 1 plus r plus 1 square. That give me what? R to the power 4 plus 2r cubed plus 2r squared plus r squared plus 2r plus 1. Which is this one? So the auxiliary equation will be what? It will be r squared plus r plus 1 square equals 0. Without suggesting it will be complicated, you cannot do it easily. You need to add and subtract. Now I need to find the roots for this one. R squared plus r plus 1 equals 0. I solve it by the quadratic formula. Minus 1 plus the square root. B squared minus 1 minus 4ac over 2. So it's minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 3i over 2. I have what? Minus half. Okay, so what are the roots? Minus half plus or minus the square root of 3 over 2i. Repeat it because of the square. So the general solution, yeah, y equal c1 plus c2x. This I have e minus half x cosine plus c3 plus c4x e plus minus half x. Now sine x. That will be my general solution. Yes. Solve the initial value. Okay. So I need to solve the auxiliary equation and then the initial value. Find the general solution. First find the small integral root by inspection. Okay. Given this. Yeah. Okay. I think the idea is very clear, but you need to do calculation now. 22. What is the auxiliary equation? I will find the general solution, then I'll find the C's through the initial condition. That's mainly the things. So I have 9r squared plus 6r plus 4 equals 0. And that was 3r plus 2r squared. No. It was not. Yeah, I need to factor it. No. Yeah, it will not be easy factored. Let me do the quadratic formula. I have minus b plus or minus b squared 36 minus 4 ac over 2 times 9 to a. Okay. What will be that? Seriously, nice. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, will be -6 plus or minus of what? 16 times 9 is what? 54. 144. 36. I need the negative values. Okay. That would be 3. That'll give me what? That's an easy number. That would be what? 108. Yeah, square root minus 108 over 18. Yeah, 108 is what? It is what? 54. 2. Give me 54. 2. Give me 27. 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So it's, yeah, I can take 6 common factor. That would be what? 6 squared times 3. Am I right? Yeah. 2 squared times 6 squared times 3 over 18. Yeah, that gives me -1 over 3. Don't forget the minus sign. And they have plus or minus 6 square root of 3 over 3i. That will be the answer. So my general solution, C1 e minus x over 3 cosine 9. Yeah, it's a very complicated one. Why I choose it, I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah, it's actually a suggested problem, so I must do it. Okay. Now I need, for the initial condition, I need y prime. Y prime will be what? Yeah, minus C1 over 3 e minus x over 3 cosine. Now I have minus C1 e minus x over 3 times the square root of 3 over 3 sine. Okay. Minus C2 over 3 e minus x over 3 sine plus C2 times the square root of 3 over 3 cosine. Okay. I have y at 0 equals 3. That give me what? 0. So I have C1 e to the power 0, 1 cosine 0, 1, and the other one is 0. So I have C1 equals 3. Okay, that's good. That's the only thing good. Okay, y prime at 0 equals 4. What I will get? Substitute y prime at 0. Cosine 0, 0. This is minus C1 over 3. With sine is 0, with sine equals 0. Here I have plus square root 3 over 3 C2 equals what? 4. C1 equal 3. So I have -1 plus this equal 4. So square root 3/3, C2 equals 5. So C2 equal 15 over square root of 3. Rationalize it. You have like 15 square root of 3 over 3, which is 5 square root of 3. So solution, oops, y equal C1, which is 3, e minus x over 3 cosine x plus C2 5 square root of 3 with the sign. It's not difficult, but it has calculation. Yeah. Let me give one page. Okay. I need the second one. Hopefully it will be easier. 26. What is the auxiliary equation? To solve it, r cubed plus 10r squared plus 25r equal that. I can take r, I have r squared plus 10r plus 25, which is r plus 5 all squared. This is perfect square equal 0. So roots 0 minus 5 minus 5. General solution C1 e minus 5x x e minus 5x. Okay. Conditions, I have y prime, y double prime. So let me do it. I need y prime, which is minus 5c2 e minus 5x. Okay. And then this one, I have what? No, this is c3, sorry. This should be c3. This is plus c3 e minus 5x minus 5c3 x e minus 5x. Y double prime will be 25c2 e minus 5x minus 5c3 e minus 5x minus 5c3 e minus 5x plus 25c3 x e minus 5x. Product rule, you can do all of these things. Y at 0 equals 3. That implies what? C1 plus C2. C3 will be 0. This will make it 0. 0 times 1, which is 0. Y prime at 0 equal 4. You have what? Here, minus 5c2. This is 0. So I have plus c3. That would be equal to 4. Y double prime at 0 equal 5. Am I right? It's 3, 4, 5. It's a good one. So I have what? 25c2 minus 5c3 minus 5c3. That will be minus 10c3. That would be equal to 5. Okay. Yeah. Now we need to solve these 3 equations. Okay. Let me do the calculation. What I will do, I will take these 2 equations and I try to solve it for C2 and C1. C2 and C3, then I can find C1. Yeah. Multiply the first by 5. So I have minus 25 C2 plus 5 C3 equal 20. And this is 25 C2 minus 10 C3 equal 5. Add, you have minus 5 C3 equal 25. So C3 equal minus 5. Good. Plug it, got this one. This is 2. Substitute into to get what? Minus 5C2 minus 5 equal 4. So minus 5C2 equal 9. That implies C2 is minus 9 over 5. Substitute N1. I have C1 minus 9 over 5 equal to 3. So C1 will be 3. 3 is what? 15 over 5. So that's 24 over 5. My solution, y equals C1, 24 over 5, plus C2, which is minus 9 over 5, a minus 5x, minus 5x, a minus 5x. That will be my answer. Okay, find general solution of these equations. First, find the small integral root, characteristic by inspection, then factor by division. Okay, let me do 28. What is the auxiliary equation? I need to guess the solution, or do it by grouping or by, yeah, it seems to be minus 1 will be a solution, and it is. Yeah, by inspection, r equal minus 1 is a root. Yeah, check. That will be minus 3, minus 7, plus 7, plus 3, which is 0. Good. Okay. So we'll do synthetic division with minus 1. Yeah, what? That is, yeah, I have 3 minus 3, correct? Yeah, minus 10, that will be 10, 3 minus 3, 0. So this one's will be r plus 1 times 3r squared minus 10r plus 3 equaled, that equal what? Can I factor this? Yes. 3r, and this is r. I need minus 10, so I make it minus 3 minus 1 equals 0. This is 3 minus r minus I and r minus 10r, which is the middle term, and this is 3r squared. So roots minus 1, 1 over 3, and 3. General solution, y equals C1 e minus x plus C2 e x over 3 plus C3 e 3x. Yeah, that's 21. 28. Perfect. 31. Auxiliary equation. R cubed plus 2r squared minus 3r minus 10 equals 0. Yeah, I need to guess the solution. Yeah, seems to me 2. By guessing, r equal to is a root. By inspection. Check. 8 plus 8 minus 6 minus 10 equals 0, which is correct. So that will be 1, 2, minus 3, minus 10, with 2. But 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 10, 0. So it's correct. So I have r cubed will be r minus 2, r squared plus 4r plus 5 equals 0. Yeah. This one I cannot factor it. So I have r minus 2 equals 0. or this. On this one, to solve it, I need the quadratic formula. So I have what? R minus 4 plus or minus square root b squared 16 minus 4ac over 2. So I have minus 4 plus or minus what? 16 minus 20 minus 4. So that will be 2i over 2 minus 2 plus or minus I. So roots are 2 and minus 2 plus or minus I. General solution. Yeah. Y will be C1 e2x plus C2 e minus 2x cosine x plus C3 e minus 2x sine x. Yeah. I need one more page. Okay. What is the auxiliary equation? 32. The auxiliary equation. R to the power 4 plus R cubed. Okay. Oops. Minus 3R squared. Minus 5R minus 2 equals 0. By inspection. Yeah, we have the rational zero theorem, but I have the factors of this rational zero theorem. Sometimes it will help. It says if there is a rational zero, P over Q will be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. 1, it cannot be minus 1, it cannot be. So, no, minus 1 is okay. Is minus 1 or root? By the way, I need 2 roots. 1 is not, huh? You know, this is AN, this is A0. So P equal plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. And Q equal plus or minus 1. So let me check them. R equal 1, what do you have? 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 is not 0. R equal minus 1. I need 2 zeros. 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 5 minus 2, which is 0. This is good. R equal to 16 plus 8 minus 3 times 4, 12 minus 10 minus 2. This is 24. This is 24. That's it. This is what I need. So you have 1, 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2. Because 2 roots will reduce it to quadratic, where I can do it quadratic formula or factoring. 1, I start with minus 1. Let me see what would happen. 1, minus 1, 0. This is 0, minus 3. That will be 3. That will be minus 2. That 2, 0. So I'm okay with 2. I have 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 0, which is good. So R to the power 4 plus R cubed minus 2R squared minus 5R minus 2. That will be R plus 1, R minus 2 times the remaining, which is R squared plus 2R plus 1. What is this? This is R plus 1 square. So my answer, R minus 2, R plus 1 cubed equals 0. What are the roots? 2. It will be 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. General solution. Okay, that will be my answer. Okay, Sometimes he will give you a hint about one root. Now, this is what happened in these questions. I think I need space. Yeah. No, it's 6 questions. Yeah, for sure I need more space. Okay, let me do it step by step. So the auxiliary equation, what, r cubed minus 8r minus 32 equals 0. He gave me this. That means what? R equal 4 is a root. Because I cannot have a solution e to the power 4x unless r equal 4 is a root. That helped me to reduce it into quadratic, and this is what I want. I don't have coefficient of r squared, so I'll make it 0. Minus 32. 4. This is 1, 4, 4, 16. This is 8. This is 32. Which will make it 0, which is what I want. So this one is what? R minus 4 times r square plus 4 or r plus 8 equals 0. Yeah, so I have r equal 4 or this. This to solve it, I think I need the quadratic formula. Minus 4 plus or minus square root b squared 16 minus 4 times 8 over 2. That equal to what? Minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 32 minus 16 plus 4i over 2. That will be minus 2 plus 2i. So what are the roots? 4 minus 2 plus or minus 2i. So the solution, y equal c1 e4x plus c2. You want the general solution. Find the general solution. The other one is what? E minus 2x cosine 2x. E minus 2x sine 2x. Yes. Yeah, 34. Same idea. He gave me one solution. So for sure, r equal 2 over 3 is a root without solving. That will be out. Okay. So that's with the auxiliary equation. 3r cubed minus 2r squared plus 12r minus 8 equals 0. So I will do this. I know 2 over 3 is a root. 3 minus 2, 12 minus 8. But I have 3, that will be 2, that will be 0. That is 0, 12. 12, which is 24 over 3, which is 8. Which will make it 0. That's what I'm looking for. So this one, 3r minus 2r squared plus 12r minus 8 is equal to what? R minus 2 over 3 times 3r squared plus 12 equals 0. I can take 3 common factor. I have 3r minus 2 over 3 times r squared plus 4 equals 0. So I have the roots over 3 plus or minus 2i. General solution y equal c1 e 2 over 3x plus c2 cosine 2x plus c3 sine 2x. Yes. Yeah. 35 gave me cosine 2x is a root. It's a tricky one. Now 35 equation was a differential equation. 6 Okay. Plus 5 plus 25. Okay. Plus 20 plus 4. And what is given? Y equal cosine x. Cosine 2x is a solution. Right away, when you have cosine and all the coefficients are real, right away, I know this, it has plus or minus 2i, but it will come in pair. So you have y equals sine 2x is a solution. And the roots are plus or minus 2i. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm going to do the long division along the synthetic division for 2i and minus 2i. Okay, so I have 6, 5, 25, 24. I'll do it with 2i, getting that 6 is 12i, 5 plus 12i, be careful now. I have minus 24 plus 12i times 2i is 24i squared, which is minus 24 plus 10i. That will be what? 1 plus 10i. Multiply now. I have minus 20 plus 2i. That give me 2i. That give me minus 4. This is what I'm looking for. Now I will do minus 2i. 6, I have minus 12i. 5, minus 10i. 1, minus 2i, 0. This is what I'm looking for. So this one, what is the auxiliary equation? Sorry, I need to write the auxiliary equation, which is very clear. 6r to the power 4 plus 5r cubed. So I know that 6r to the power 4 plus 5r cubed plus 25r squared plus 20r plus 20r plus 4. That will be what? It will be r minus 2i and r plus 2i times 6r squared plus 5r plus 1 equals 0. I need to find the roots for this. And that is what? Can I factor it? Yes, I can factor it. So I have r minus 2i, r plus 2i times what? 3r. And this is 2r plus 1 plus 1. Yeah, 1, 2r plus 3r, 5r. Yes. So the roots are plus or minus 2i minus 1 over 3 minus half. General solution y equal C1e minus x over 3 plus C2 is minus half x plus C4 e2x, not e2x, cosine 2x. C3 minus C4 3 cosine 2x plus C4 sine 2x. Yeah. I have 3 to go. Plus 3 actually, 3 and also they are lengthy one. Okay. So I think I will stop. Then I will do the rest in another video. I don't like to have a long one. So I have 36, 37, 38, and then these 39 to 42. Okay, I think that is very clear, but now let me stop the recording and do another video for the rest. Still I have time. Yeah, you know what? Let me continue. Yeah, I still have time. I was thinking I reached the 1 hour. No, I did not reach the 1 hour. So 36. Yeah, 36. Let me do 36. I need more space. I think more pages. Yeah. Page problem. I need 1 page. Okay. So what is 6? And 9. Y plus 11 y double prime plus 4y prime minus 14y equals 0. Then y is the root, correct? Sin x, not cosine. And that will not make a difference. Sin x. So right away, this is the solution. So right away, this is also a solution. So what's the roots? Minus plus or minus I. So I'll do the auxiliary equation. 9r cubed plus 11r squared plus 4r minus 14 equals 0. Now we'll do this with these two roots. To careful the calculation, that will be 9. So you have minus 9 plus 9i. I have what? 2 plus 9i. Do the multiplication. That gives me what? Minus 2 minus 9 minus 11 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7i. That gives me minus 11 minus 7i. So I have what? 7 minus 7i. So I have 7 minus 7i times this. I have what? Minus 7. I have minus 7, sorry. That will be minus 7. So I have 7 plus 7, that will be 14. Minus 7i plus, that will be 14. 0. I'll do now minus 1 minus I. That's 9 minus 9 minus 9i. That'll give me minus 7. That gives me 7 plus 7i, which is 0. These zeros as a checkpoint. So these 9r cubed plus 11r squared plus 4r minus 14 is what? It will be r minus this root times r minus the other root times 9r minus 7 equals 0, which for sure give me r equals 7 over 9. So what are the roots? Minus 1 plus or minus I and 7 over 9. General solution, C1 is 7 over 9x plus C2 is minus x cosine x sine x. Yeah, that will be the correct answer. And it is. Okay, 37, find the function y of x is that the fourth derivative of x equals the third derivative for all x, and they have initial condition. So let me, let's call it what? 37. 37. I think I put more page, okay. So it's the fourth root equal the third root. And I have y at 0 equal what? Y at 0 equal 18, 12. Y prime at 0 equals 12. 18, 12, 13, 7. 15, 12, 13, 7. Okay. This one, how to solve it? It's this equation. So what is the auxiliary equation? R to the power 4 minus R cubed. So roots 0, 0, 0, and 1. So it will be the solution, general solution, C1 plus C2x plus C3x squared plus C4 e to the 4x. I need y prime, y double prime, y triple. Okay. Y prime is C2 plus 2C3x plus C4ax. Y double prime equal 2C3 plus C4ax. Y triple is C4ax. Okay, now do the conditions. Y at 0 equal 18. So we have what? C1 plus C4 equal 18. Because this will be 0. Okay. Y prime at 0 equal 12. That means C2 plus C4 equals 12. Y double prime at 0 equals 13. That means 2C3 plus C4 equals 13. Okay. Y triple prime at 0 equals 7. That means C4 equals 7. Yeah, easy one. It seems to be difficult, but it is not. With that 7, plug it here. So we have 2C3 plus 7 equals 13. That implies 2C3 equals 6. So C3 equals 3. Plug it, so C4, I plug it here and I plug it here. You have what? C2 plus 7 equal 12. So C2 equal 5. C1 plus 7 equal 18. So C1 equal 11. So my solution will be y equal 11 C1, C2 times x, 5x, C3 is 3, so 3x squared plus 7 e to the power x. And that is my answer. Exactly. Now 38, solve the initial value problem. Let me rewrite it again. 38, y triple, the equation, I'll write the equation. Minus 6y double prime plus 9. Minus 6y double 9 plus 9y prime minus 54y equals 0. Let me check. Yeah, but I have the condition 530 with the initial condition y equal 5, y prime 530. Is it? Yes. Given e to the power 6x is a solution. Given is a solution. So one root is r equals 6. That's it. One. What is the auxiliary equation? R cubed minus 6r squared plus 9r minus 54 equals 0. So you know r equals 6 is root 1 minus 6, 9 minus 54. That is 1, 6, 0, 0, 9, 54, 0. That's correct. So this function, this polynomial, I can factor it into r minus 6 times r squared plus 9. Yeah, equals 0. So I have r equals 6 plus or minus 3i. General solution, C1a6x cosine 3x sine 3x. Yeah, I need what? I need y prime and y double prime. Y prime will be 6 C1 e6x is minus 3c2 sine 3x plus 3c3 cosine 3x. Y double prime would be 36 C1 A6X. Yeah. Minus 9 C2 cosine 3x minus 9 C3 sine 3x. Now I need the conditions. Let me do it here. Y at 0 equal 5. I get what? C1 plus C2 equals 5. Y prime at 0 equals 3. That gives me what? 6C1 plus 3C3 equals 3. Y double prime at 0 equals 0. That gives me 36C1 minus 9C2 equals 0. So I'll try to solve. This is 1 and 2 and 3. So solve 1 and 2. Multiply 1 by 9. So I have 9C1 plus 9C2 equal 45. And they have 36C1 minus 9C2 equals 0. I add them. I have 45C1 equals 45. So C1 equal 1. Plug it in 1. I have 1 plus C2 equal 5. So it means C2 equal 4. Substitute in 2. Yeah, in 2. I have what? 6 plus 3C3 equal 3. So 3C3 equal minus 3. So C3 equal minus 1. So what is my solution? What is C1? C1 is 1. So it will be e to the power 6x. C2 is 4 plus 4 cosine 3x. C3 is minus 1 minus sine 3x. That's it. Okay, these are the last group of questions. Now he wants me to find, he wants you to reverse the procedure. You know what? I have the differential equation. I get the auxiliary equation. I find the roots. I find the general solution. This is what usually I do. Now he wants me to do it this way. Backward. I have the general solution. He wants me to find the differential equation. What I will do, I will reverse the procedure. 39. If this is the general solution, A plus bx plus cx squared e to x. What are the roots? Which give me this. It means 2 repeated how many times? 2, 3 times. 2, 2, 2. So my auxiliary equation will be what? R minus 2 cubed equals 0, which is R cubed minus 3 R squared times 2 plus 3 R 2 squared minus 8 equals 0, which means R cubed minus 6R squared plus 12R minus 8 equals 0. What will be the differential equation? Right away, third derivative, second derivative plus 12y prime minus 8y equals 0. That will be the differential equation. 40. Okay. What I have, the general solution, y of x equal A E3x plus B x E3x plus C cosine 4x plus D sine 4x. What are the roots? This I have 3x, 2 times. And I have cosine 4x. Cosine 4x means I have what? Plus or minus 4i. Those are the roots. Okay. So it will be my equation. Yeah. It is sine 4x. Yeah. Should be 4. Okay. Yeah. For the be careful with the sine and cosine. Just to because I think there is yeah. Okay. For the cosine, I have alpha plus or minus I beta. I have 4 means it's plus or minus 4. But when I do it, I have r minus 4i times r. So I have r squared plus beta squared. So it should be plus 16. Yeah, be careful about that. So just to be sure, because I think there is a mistake in the solution manual. Okay, so I have this one. It's r minus 3 squared. And I have r minus 4i, r plus 4i equals 0. That will be my auxiliary equation, which is r squared minus 6r plus 9 times r squared plus 16 equals 0. Yeah. That give me what? R to the power 4. What give me cubed? Minus 6r cubed. 9r squared plus 16r squared plus 25r squared. Then I have what? R is minus 6 times 16, which is minus 96. R 16 times 9 is what? 16 times 6, is it 96? Yeah. So, yeah. And 16 times 9 is 144. Plus 144 equals 0. So what's the differential equation? The fourth derivative minus 6 third plus 25 divided by minus 96 by 44 equals 0. Yeah. So the root is plus or minus 4i, not plus or minus 2i. Okay. Actually, it is correct at the end. Good. Now we'll do, I think I need one more page. That will be the last one. Control M. Yeah, I'm taking good number of questions. 41. It's a tricky one. Yeah. A cosine to x. B sine to x. Plus C. What? We don't have cosine hyperbolic or sine hyperbolic. Be careful. These are what? These are exponential, because it will be C for those two, not C cosine hyperbolic 2x. Yeah. Plus C sine hyperbolic 2x are what? Are C e to the power 2x plus e minus 2x over 2. This is d plus d e to x. Because we don't have a rule for sine hyperbolic or sine hyperbolic. And that will be e to the power 2x times what? C over 2 plus d over 2 plus e minus 2x c over 2 minus d over 2. So this is a constant. So you have a constant, call it g e to x plus h e minus 2x. So what are the roots? In this case, they are plus or minus 2i coming from there, and they have plus or minus 2, because they have 2 and minus 2. Yeah, it is tricky one a little bit. Now we'll do the calculation, auxiliary equation. The rest is just calculation. I have r minus 2i, r plus 2i, r minus 2, r plus 2 equals 0. So I have r squared plus 4 times r squared minus 4, which is r to the power 4 minus 16. So the differential equation, the fourth root minus 16y equals 0. That will be the solution. The last one, which is, wow, seems to be complicated. Complicated in the calculation only. 42. The solution is a plus bx plus cx squared cosine 2x plus d plus ax plus fx squared sine 2x. So what are the roots? Plus or minus 2i repeated 3 times. Okay, so what will be my auxiliary equation? And here is the trick. R minus 2i, R minus 2i. Sorry, R minus and plus. Yeah, do it this way. Better. So I have R squared plus 4 times R squared plus 4 times R squared plus 4. And that is what? This times this. I have R to the power 4. You can do it in a different way. Plus 8 R squared plus 16 times R squared plus 4. And that is what? R to the power 6. What will give me to the power 4? This times this plus 4. So it's plus 12 R to the power 4. Okay. What will give me R squared? 8 times 4 plus 16. 32 plus 16 plus 48. R squared. 16 times 4, that will be 64. Is equal to 0. So it will be my differential equation. 6th derivative. The 4th derivative plus 48 y double prime plus 64 y equals 0. And that's all. I think we did a good number of questions from the exercises. Let me stop now the recording. Yeah, I exceed 1 hour a little bit, but I finish. Thank you.